everyone, the idiom of the day is, better late than never. Let's have a look at the meaning of this idiom. The meaning of this idiom is that it is better to arrive late than not to come at all, or it is better for somebody or something to be late than never to arrive or to happen. It also means that it is better to do something late than to not, never do it at all. For example, all of us have been waiting for the job opportunity for 2 months, but better late than never. Let's look at some more example sentences. She showed up for the wedding when they were already cutting the cake and ate dinner, but better late than never. We were thinking that Johnny will not come to our help anymore. Anyways, better late than never. We only arrived in cinema to watch movie at halftime, but better late than never. My father's flight was delayed 7 hours, but better late than never because he closed the airport after the plane departed. They just have received the report. We should have had it yesterday, but it's better late than never. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel.